In this video, we are going to look at the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis, and in particular, we are going to look at the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Photophosphorylation, it occurs in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast, and it requires light energy producing ATP, NADPH, and then oxygen. The products of ATP, NADPH, and oxygen are later used in the light-independent reactions, that is the Calvin cycle, to make glucose. There are two types of photosystems. We have photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. The process of photophosphorylation, or the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis, starts with the photosystem 2, and then the photosystem 1 works the second. Each photosystem contains chlorophyll molecules which help in absorption of light. An electron acceptor which receives excited electrons. Light energy from the sun as indicated here strikes the photosystem 2, and this energy excites electrons. It excites electrons, raising them to higher energy level. The excited electrons leave the photosystem 2 and then move to an electron acceptor. This is the electron acceptor. The photosystem 2 gets into an oxidized state, so it becomes unstable, and the electrons that have been lost must be replaced. And the electrons lost are replaced by the process known as photolysis, the breakdown of water in presence of light, or with the aid of light. To replace the lost electrons, water is split using light energy, and this process is known as photolysis. The equation is given here. The products of photolysis will have hydrogen ions, oxygen, and the electrons. These electrons are used to stabilize the photosystem 2 that was oxidized by the photon of light from the sun. Electrons replace those lost by photosystem 2, and then the hydrogen ions remain in the thylakoid space of the chloroplast. The oxygen that is released during photolysis is released into the atmosphere, and it is the one that we use during respiration. This is the main source of oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. The electrons from the photosystem 2, they do not go directly to the photosystem 1. They pass through a series of electron carriers, which include the plastoquinone, the cytochromes, and the plastocyanine. As electrons move along this electron chain, or through a series of electron carriers, they lose energy, and this energy is used to pump the hydrogen ions across the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. Because many hydrogen ions are pumped into the thylakoid space, a protein gradient is formed. Hydrogen ions then flow back through ATP synthase. ATP synthase is used to make ATP, the energy now. And this energy is used to convert ADP to ATP by addition of an inorganic phosphate. Adenoside diphosphate. When you add an inorganic phosphate, it results in the production of ATP, adenoside triphosphate. The ATP that is produced provides energy for the Calvin cycle. The photosystem 1 also absorbs light from the sun. The low energy electrons reach the photosystem 1, electrons from the photosystem 2. Light energy excites these electrons gain. The electrons from the photosystem 2, through a series of electron carriers, reach the photosystem 1 with low energy, and then light from the sun re-excites these electrons in the photosystem 1, and then these electrons move to another electron acceptor, the second electron acceptor. In photosystem 1, there is no splitting of water, because the main aim to why water splits is to produce these electrons that are used to stabilize the previously oxidized photosystem 2. And then the electrons from the photosystem 2 move to the photosystem 1, meaning that as the photosystem 1 gets oxidized, it is immediately reduced by the electrons from the photosystem 2, thus making it stable. The excited electrons from the photosystem 1 are transferred to the electron carrier known as ferredoxin. Then the electrons from ferredoxin are passed to the NADP reductase. This is an enzyme that combines hydrogen ions with NADP, resulting into formation of NADPH. The NADP combines with these electrons and the hydrogen ions, resulting into formation of NADPH. NADPH is the reduced agent that is needed to reduce carbon dioxide into glucose in the Calvin cycle. The products of the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis, we have ATP, we have NADPH, and then oxygen. Only 2 of these products are transferred to the light-independent stage of photosynthesis, whereas oxygen is released into the atmosphere to be used for respiration by the animals and even the plants themselves. This is the general equation for photosynthesis. In the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis, we saw that there is photolysis of water. Only water is used in the light-dependent stage, and carbon dioxide is fixed during the light-independent stage. With the help of the products of the light-dependent stage, that is ATP and NADPH. Carbon dioxide is fixed during the process of light-independent, that is the dark stage of photosynthesis, aided by a certain enzyme known as rubiscope. Rubulose biphosphate carboxylase enzyme. So, thank you for watching. In the next video, we shall be looking at how carbon dioxide is fixed and how the glucose that is produced during photosynthesis is converted to other products.